What's up, everybody? I am actually going to refinish these bumpers on this putter. I made a video the other day where I finished the top line and took a lot of the little dents and scratches out. So I'm basically doing the same thing to the bumpers. I just taped off where I didn't want to scratch anything. And you can see here kind of what I'm dealing with. It's some pretty good little nicks and stuff in there. Alright, so I want to try to give an update. Let me see if I can zoom in here. A lot of the real deep stuff is gone, so it's cleaning up. It's been about half an hour. I moved up to a 320 grit, so I am using a heavier grit. So 320 grit, then I'll move back to the 600. And then you can kind of see how the back bumper here has a lot in it. And this one's kind of coming along, so I'll update it. Alright guys, I've kind of got an update here. I'll show you where this one's taped off. Let's see if I can zoom in. So you can still see there's quite a few bumps and stuff on this side. I haven't even messed with it. And then as we get down here, so I took all, there was a couple of little bitty spots that just seemed like they would not go away no matter how hard I tried. And I got some other things to do today, but looks pretty good. What's up, everybody? So I'm done with the bumpers. So you can see those bumpers there. I taped off a lot of the putter, so it has some kind of chrome looking parts now. And I used a 120 grit. I found some 120 grit, so I used that, and a 320 grit, 600 grit, and a 2000 grit. But really, I think the 120 grit did a really good job, made my work a lot easier. And looks a lot better than it did. So I'd say I took this putter from a 6.5 condition to an 8.5 condition with just a little bit of extra elbow grease and hard work. And didn't cost me much at all just for the sandpaper. Alright guys, peace out.